Siddhaganga Mutt, we have managed to find Geeta Shivraj Kumar, who's taken blessings here before she kicks off her campaign. You have immense faith in the Siddhaganga Mutt. You're going to be touring across Shimoga, visiting different temples at this point. You're really hoping for divine intervention.
Of course, yes, because all we have been, our family has been like that always, and here this is very special for us. The Before the Swamiji was there, we have come so many times, but this is the first time I'm coming after he became the chief here.
So the community overwhelmingly supports the Congress party, do you believe?
No, the blessings of him is there. Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. Geeta, your father was the chief minister. You're up against another chief minister's son. Do you believe this is it's going to be a good fight that you're putting up? It's a tri-cornered fight.
We are very positive, and I don't think we'll have any problem in winning.
This time, how confident are you? What are the issues that you are hoping to win over?
First thing is the 5 guarantees which our government gave before the elections, and they did it, and it came to. It became active within
Successful,
another.
yeah.
Yes, it is successful also.
Yeah.
So those, and my father Shumaga, my father lives in everybody there.
Yeah, he is quite popular there. And let's not even begin to speak of Shivraj Kumar. We've all grown up watching you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
So how you're the star power for her, campaigning for her as well.
No, not exactly that, but supporting my wife. I don't say it's a star power.
Yeah.
I would like to just go like a normal human.
Yeah.
Here, that stardom doesn't work. Might be because the stardom is portrayed by them only. They only put me in that place.
I have a lot of women here who are waiting to talk to you, meet you. They've come all the way from Raichur. Their one glimpse of you is precious. So it is star power.
Not star power. It's only the blessings of the people. It's not anything else. It's the blessing because there's a blessing we have got from them.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಅಂತೆ ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರಿ
ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿವ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
So it's just a blessing, that's all. And here there's a very good connection for Siddhaganga Mutt. From that time, from my father period, we've been coming here always. There's one, what do you say, a sort of solace when you come here. There's a peace that's there, and whatever worries you would have come facing. But when we come here, immediately we feel, because it's in the center of the 4 mountains, and it's a beautiful scene told in Taguru about this. Fantastically, he has told that scene. That's where the reality is there.
In one scene, he's there.
In one
He's
scene,
one scene in your movie. He's there as well.
He's there,
Tell
he's
me
there.
about it.
Yeah, I'm a cop. So usually I would have been from this place. I would have studied. Yes, that's Taguru. So I would have been from this place. And I come here and visit him often. And whenever I come, my grandmother would have told. Because there's one place called, there's Mata is there, one temple is there. You go, you get food, studies, then you can become a cop.
Right.
So I think somewhere some positive note is there here.
Has it touched your life immensely?
Yeah, very much, very much.
The thing is, he also knew he was going to be in the movie.
That was very beautiful. That's a very beautiful connection we have got. Always, whatever it is, taking the blessing, there's a positive this one vibes. Whenever we take elections, that is secondary. Primary is what we come here and we get the blessing of these people, and being in this place itself is very great honor.
We are not seeing any film stars campaigning this time. Shivraj Kumar for his wife. Does that mean you're for the Congress?
No, not like that. Congress in sense, because the party which has got that proper secularism, so that one. But otherwise, I'm not for the single party.
Party. You're for your wife.
Yeah, for my wife. Because fans are there throughout the party, and I don't even tell my fans to jump into this party or that, because I give their own space. Because
Of course. Sudeep campaigned for Basaraj Bommai in the past for BJP.
But still we are all friends. Even any fans who comes here, I never ask them for whom you vote. I never do that, because it is their choice.
Correct.
Everybody should be left alone to do what they want.
Correct.
That's why I tell my fans, please don't give space for everybody. Let us
It's
be
a choice.
It's a choice.
It's absolutely a choice. Geeta, how are you going to connect to your voters if you have to say something, appeal to them? How do you envision this nation? Since this is a general election.
Yeah. There are lots of issues which have to be attended to, which our party is already doing it. And I would be with them. It's not one single person who can do everything. So, so Congress is for people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Say you get to power, Geeta. First thing that you will do for the people of Shimoga.
The first thing is the basic amenities. That's the water, connectivity of phone, road, bus, everything. And there are major issues are also there. But as I said, I can't do alone. I'll need everybody's support
yeah,
there. Yes,
yeah.
and my brother, who's a minister, is there.
Yes,
And
Madhu Bangarappa is a higher education, primary and
Yes, yes.
higher education minister in Karnataka. So you have the support of the Congress extensively.
Yes, yeah.
Last question I have, we know Shimoga is a communal hotbed. That's the place where we've seen several riots that's happened in the past. So on communal lines, the BJP has been keeping its pitch high, accusing the Congress of minority appeasement, etc. So in Shimoga, which is known as a communal hotbed, how would you like for it to change? Or is there something that you want to do immediately?
Till now, I haven't come across anything like face
In
to face.
Shimoga.
Yes, I haven't come across.
People are
anything.
peaceful there?
Yes, right now everything is going on well. Actually, we have lived there for quite a long time. I have never seen anything like that. But in between, small things have come up and they've been resolved.
All right. So, final word to the women of Karnataka.
Women are going to support me. Women are going to support me because I have decided to be with them in any problems they have.
Ma'am, a quick word, as we know that this is a general election, they're constantly talking about the Prime Minister. Do you have an idea of who you want to see as the Prime Minister?
Of course, I would like our party head to be the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Yes,
Mallikarjun Kharge?
Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, leaders, that decision will be taken in the higher level.
Yeah.
So we would like to leave it to them.
Okay, after elections.
Because they have experience.
So, what would you appeal to your fans?
No, nothing, because my fans have been always supporting to me.
Okay.
So nothing else. I just to say everybody to vote from their heart,
Yeah.
not from the mind, because there are a lot of people to just brainwash you. This one ideologists don't behave. You just have to behave what your heart says,
Yeah.
not your brain says, or hear from others and vote. Please do vote in the proper way, because this finger,
Very powerful.
very powerful finger, because before you vote, you have to just point to yourself and say, what I'm doing is right. Okay, then select.
Very well said. Very well said. All right. I've cast my vote too, so please get out there and vote. Karnataka, Shimoga. Thank you very much, sir.